Well, it seems like fall is here. Just look at these colours. Beautiful, beautiful colours. Well, it's truly beautiful. This is just such a lovely hike. And Fergus is enjoying it. You see that little wren? But there's a little wren in there. Well, we're getting close to the hill now. Fergus is enjoying his first hike to Blackstrap. Looks good. Fall colours. We're going to go a nice little walk up through the gentle shoulder, and then we're going to come down steep on the other side. And I'll get the drone up, and we'll see some nice shots of us get up there. Well, I think Fergus enjoyed up and down the hill. And we're getting close to the end of our walk. It's only been like a 5k walk, but he's a pup. Final descent, and Fergus has chosen this way. Looking down. Actually looks quite nice. Nice fall colours. A lot of leaves have left the trees. Good boy. Yeah. It's been a really good walk actually. Really good hike. Really enjoyed it with Fergus. He's starting to learn how to walk trails. Takes a little time, get him used to some commands. But he's doing well. Oh, and he found a tree that was turned over. Wow. Yeah, that tree was turned over. Okay, let's go. I gotta say, retired life is good, so I am enjoying being retired at last. Cool nights, warm days. It's going to be 27 today. Which way will Fergus pick? Let's see. I really want him to go left, so let's see. Come on, let's go. Good boy. There we go, onto the main trail again. These are mountain bike trails also. And they're cross-country ski and snowshoe trails. Multi-use trails. And of course, dog walking trails. Let's go. We're going this way, back to the car. Really, really good day. And there's Pip Up, back to the car. Let's go.